Have you ever wondered what makes Domino's Pizza tick? How has this pizza giant managed to stay at the forefront of a competitive market for decades? Well, it's all down to a clever combination of strategies that have been carefully implemented over time. Firstly, Domino's has always known the importance of product innovation. They've consistently adapted their menu to cater to changing customer tastes. New pizza flavors, unique crust types, and a variety of toppings have been introduced over the years. But Domino's didn't stop at pizza. They expanded their menu to include sandwiches, pasta, and desserts, ensuring there's something for everyone. Then, there's their unwavering commitment to customer service excellence. Domino's has made it a priority to keep their customers satisfied at every step of the pizza buying journey. They've ensured prompt and accurate order fulfillment, hassle-free delivery and pickup options, and quick responses to customer inquiries. This focus on a positive customer experience has helped them foster loyalty and encourage repeat business. But what's a great product and service without effective marketing and branding? Domino's has leveraged multiple marketing channels, including television, digital advertising, and social media. Their memorable branding, led by their iconic logo and tagline, "Oh yes we did," have helped them stand out and build a strong emotional connection with pizza lovers worldwide. In the age of digital transformation, Domino's hasn't been left behind. They've integrated technology into their operations to enhance convenience and improve the overall customer experience. From user-friendly online ordering platforms to their advanced order tracking system, the Domino's Pizza Tracker, they've used technology to stay ahead. They've also leveraged data analytics to gain insights into customer behavior and preferences, further refining their offerings. Last, but certainly not least, Domino's has a strategic approach to global expansion. They've capitalized on emerging market opportunities and adapted their menu and business model to local tastes and preferences. By partnering with local franchisees and managing the challenges of each new market, they've successfully expanded their global footprint. In summary, Domino's Pizza has achieved sustained growth and solidified its position as a leading player in the global pizza industry through a careful balance of product innovation, customer service excellence, effective marketing and branding, technology integration, and strategic global expansion. As they continue to focus on these key strategies, there's little doubt that Domino's will continue to thrive in the competitive pizza market. Yes, they did, and they continue to do so.